The test of the goddess domestic is not in her curtains or hams. It isn't her baking or decoupage making. It's not in her sewing or jams. A woman can learn how to cook from some book. That certainly isn't so tough. But a quick little look in the bed linen nook will prove if she has the right stuff. Oh, the shame and the guilt, the years of remorse, the brows that are furrowed and knitted. Because though she tries, she cannot get wise to the ways of the sheets that are fitted. Folding a fitted sheet, a difficult feat I'm gonna walk you through. Folding a fitted sheet, do as I do and then you can fold a fitted sheet too. Put your fingers in the corners, don't let those digits bend. Perfect alignment, that's your assignment. Now you do it to the other end. All the corners united. Are you excited? We're more than halfway there. About a foot and an inch now. Give it a pinch now and keep the whole contraption square. Fold and smooth. Fold and done. Now you may think that this is just a gratuitous display of my housekeeping virtuosity. But the fitted sheet can mean so much more, metaphorically speaking. Why, I believe that if our leaders took note of my lesson, it would help end much of the struggle and suffering in our world today. Thank you. From diverse and battled corners, we point to a solution. To keep the union stable, bring the factions to the table for a peaceful resolution. Though problems provoke us, we keep our focus. Each side must do its part. And like a finely folded sheet, we'll make a peace treaty that's as pretty as a work of art. Now that's diplomacy. Folding a fitted sheet. Now the problem, you see, the challenge for me lies in the elastic. If it wasn't for that, it would all just lie flat. And wouldn't that be fantastic? But life isn't easy for woman or man. No, we all have the time when the sheet hits the fan. Just